We're excited to announce an upcoming release of Huddle Monkey. This latest version brings powerful new features, performance improvements, and enhancements based on your feedback. Here's an overview of what's new. Events are a new feature that allow you to create one-time or recurring events and schedule volunteers. Here we have several different events defined. For each event, you can define the positions needed, based on time, area, and even different locations if necessary, and define what teams are allowed to be scheduled in those positions. Series allows you to group related events to define a specific instance of the event, such as a monthly topic, a season or curriculum cycle, or an occurrence of a yearly event. Here we are planning for an upcoming VBS. Easily schedule your teams for the positions needed and track responses. You can associate content for each position to tailor what each team needs. Content is modules that you create just like before and can include attachments. This content will be made available to your teams from their schedule as well as in their available content. Projects are a new feature that help you plan and track projects with collaboration, task assignment, and scheduling to ensure your teams are aligned and moving forward together. Track task progress and add notes to keep everyone informed. Badges allow you to define criteria for users to earn badges, such as completing training in the past 6 months or passing an assessment. Here we created a badge that all children's ministry workers must earn. You can see the criteria for the badge, where each section defines what they need to complete. For this badge, a user must complete the volunteer training within 5 years or pass the new volunteer assessment in the past 2 years, completed the children's ministry handbook within 6 months, and had a background check in the past year. Keep track of who has earned the badges. Progress being made towards the badges. And what badges have expired. You will be notified when a user's badge is about to expire. New chat features are also available. You can now edit your existing chat message. Search within a chat. Mute a conversation to stop receiving notifications. And configure a conversation to auto-close on a certain date and optionally delete posts after a certain number of days. Let's circle back to our VBS event and see how these new features can work together to plan seamless events. Looking at the schedule, you can create badges that volunteers must earn to be scheduled for an event. We've associated existing content and tailored it for each position. Here we pulled in the project to help us plan our VBS. Finally, we created a new group chat that all scheduled users of your event can participate in to keep everyone informed. At Huddle Monkey, we know that users are on the go and not tied to a laptop or desktop. With this release, mobile apps for iOS and Android are now fully featured, allowing you to do everything from the app that you can from the web browser.